Hey guys, today I am going to be showing you how I fill in my eyebrows. Please be sure to like and subscribe before you leave, and if you would like to see how I fill in my brows, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to use the spoolie side from the Anastasia Brow Definer, and what I like to do is I start off by combing them kind of up and out. And I'm mostly doing that because the spoolie on my Brow Wiz broke. So now I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I take this in the shade Taupe. And I'm going to start by just underlining my brow. And then I do extend it just a little bit because the tail of your brow should come from the corner of your nose out, and my eyebrow falls just a little short of that, so I do extend it just a little bit. Okay, so then once I have that in there, I take that spoolie again, but I brush the hairs down, so then you can see the line. So, and unfortunately I'm not somebody with like really great natural brows, so I do have to work with a couple areas that aren't as good. So I'm just outlining the top part of the brows now. Just like that. So you can see how I have that shape in there. And then now I just kind of take this and again just kind of brush them out a little bit so I can see it. And now I'm just going to fill it in. I do have pretty thin eyebrows, so I do like to fill them in pretty generously because I like a more defined brow look. Okay, so then when I get into here, I do like something a little bit more natural. So I go from the inner point and I just do a line up, and I do a line up, line up, line up. So I just go through and I'm just doing strokes upward, just like that. And then now I'm going to brush them all upward. Alright, so I'm just doing the exact same thing on the other side. Alright, so now what I do is I then take the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, And I like to brush them all up and out. And then just lightly calm them down. Oops. Alright, you guys, this is it. This is exactly how I fill in my brows. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye!